Hey everyone, I wanted to walk you through this page. It's about pattern and variation in poetry, and identifying patterns and variations in patterns, or looking at poems that seemingly lack patterns and then identifying patterns is one of the ways that you can complete a close reading of a poem and help to understand uh, the deeper meaning in that work. So first, let's just start with pattern. Pattern is basically the repetition of sounds, sentence structures, line lengths, words, stanzas. So basically the repetition of any component of a poem, like a visual image would also work as an established of a pattern. Um, Meter, I don't know if I said meter. So the beat of a poem basically could be another example of a pattern. And so pattern is something that is repeated throughout a poem, and that repetition helps to establish meaning. Uh, Variation is when there's an established pattern and then all of a sudden the poem just breaks from that pattern. Okay, so variation might be all of a sudden there's like a repetition of certain phrases and then that phrase is different all of a sudden. The variation becomes significant. Why did the author or why did the poet decide to change up the pattern? What was the reason for that? What is the consequence of that? How does that change or shift the meaning? And so identifying the pattern and then looking at variation in a pattern becomes really important to understanding the deeper meanings behind the work itself. Some poems are written in free verse, and we're going to mostly look at poems that are written in free verse, although some of the assigned poems that we're going to do are not in free verse. Basically, free verse is just there's no rules. There's no rules to the poem. Some types of poems, like sonnets, for example, have a lot of rules. There's a certain number of lines. There's a certain number of beats per line. There's a rhyme scheme that a poet needs to follow, and all of these structures that a poet needs to follow in order to write a sonnet. A free verse has no structure. The poet gets to decide the structure of the poem. How many beats per line? How many is a poem going to rhyme? Is it not? Is there going to have stanzas? Is there not? How many lines per stanza? That sort of thing. That's free verse. Most of the poems that we're going to look at are free verse. So that seems like there wouldn't be any patterns, but that's not always the case. Actually, that's most often not the case. It just means that when you're looking for a pattern, it's going to be a little bit more challenging to see the pattern, because it's not going to be as obvious as with the sonnet. So again, with the free verse, there are patterns. Patterns exist. You just got to dig a little deeper to identify the pattern and then start to look at how the pattern might shift or break. Sometimes just identifying a pattern in something that seems like it doesn't have a pattern itself can reveal that deeper meaning. Okay, so that's the kind of a basic overview of like where you can start when you're starting to analyze a poem.